Appreciable is an adjective. That means something is large enough to be noticed or measured. It is often used to describe changes, differences, or amounts that are significant and can be observed or quantified. Meaning and usage. 1. Significant enough to be noticed. Appreciable refers to something that is not minor or trivial, but substantial enough to make an impact. Example: there was an appreciable improvement in his health after the treatment. 2. Measurable difference. It can describe changes or quantities that can be calculated or assessed. Example: the company reported an appreciable increase in profits this quarter. Etymology: appreciable derives from the verb appreciate, which comes from the Latin appreciare, to set a price on. The root reflects the idea of assigning value to something, which in turn relates to the ability to notice or measure something of value. Related words: appreciation, recognition of value or quality, can also refer to an increase in value. Example: she has a deep appreciation for classical music. Appreciate, to recognize the worth or quality of something, or to increase in value. Example: I appreciate your help. The property value appreciated over the years. Synonyms: noticeable, perceptible, detectable. Considerable, significant. Antonyms: negligible, insignificant, minor, inappreciable. Appreciable is used to emphasize that something is not only present, but is of enough importance or magnitude to make a difference, making it a useful word when distinguishing between minor and significant change.